I had several options to choose from, and helping me make the decision where to go were these 5 criteria. First, which institution has many international publications in renowned journals such as JBJS and CORR? Second, which institution always presents in international musculoskeletal tumor society meetings such as ISOLS and APMSTS and has actually won awards for them? 3, which institution has a large number of cases, ideally larger than my hospital in the Philippines, which sees about 60 patients a week and does 12 to 20 surgeries a month? Which institution focuses on innovation, research, and pushing the boundaries for biologic reconstruction? And finally, which team or course director shows genuine care for the members of his team, does many humanitarian activities outside of the hospital setting, and I think most important, shows big support and affirmation for the role of women on the team? Well, all of those things I found in Taipei Veterans General Hospital and in our course director, Dr. PQ Wu. While other hospitals in the US and Europe and Japan offered me an opening to train for fellowship with them, one of the biggest draws for me that is very relevant to decisions at present is the overall response of Taiwan, not just to COVID, but also to international conflict and the prioritization of healthcare for its citizens. The chance to continue performing surgeries while being in a setting that allows me to continue my lifestyle and supporting myself in a safe environment any time of the day, surrounded by good food, excellent surgeons, and an atmosphere that truly rewards achievements, they're all part of my decision to come to Taiwan. I highly recommend Taipei Veterans General Hospital for foreigners who want to do further training for several reasons. First, it's a 3,000 bed capacity hospital, which means more patients, better exposure, and more opportunities for learning. Second, the amazing coverage of the national health insurance in Taiwan for orthopedic cases. This means you'll be able to see the wide range of multidisciplinary treatment options, from the very basic to extremely complex procedures using top-of-the-line equipment, techniques, and medications made available for patients, but also a lot of creativity involved. Third, all subspecialties have extremely active consultant staff, see a large number of patients, and provide opportunities for learning such as ward rounds, regular conferences, and intra-op discussions. 4, doctors and all support staff are warm and very welcoming, and patients are also extremely appreciative. You won't believe the number of stuff that we get every clinic consult. And finally, the food court and the staff cafeteria are massive. Food is excellent. I keep saying that, right? Musculoskeletal oncology training in Taipei Veterans General Hospital is a little bit different. The focus is on implant options and innovations for biologic reconstruction, which were not readily available in the Philippines and is a little different from training in Europe and other Western nations. From my mentor and all-around course director, Professor Wu, you'll learn how to be a professional, an excellent surgeon and orthopedic oncologist, and altogether friendly but humble person. Also how to be an entrepreneur and humanitarian in every aspect. So, advice for those looking to apply: do your homework, okay? Get to know the experts and renowned institutions in your chosen field of subspecialty first. If you then find what you need in VGH Taipei, send an email expressing your intent to the chief of your chosen division, for example, Professor Wu, or the spine chief for spine surgery, the pedia ortho chief for pediatric orthopedics, and so on. It always helps to build ties with them before emailing, and I highly recommend approaching or asking questions during international conferences. If you're there to present a podium presentation that you've done for research, all the better. If you're lucky, like I was, your own version of Professor Wu or Professor Chen will tell you, you have so many questions, why don't you apply to train with us at VGH Taipei? And then you can coordinate with the VGH Taipei Department of Medical Education, and they'll advise you regarding the online forms and related procedures for application. Good luck.